come to the kidney, this is the normal structure, outer structure of the kidney. What is means inside? When we cut it, we will observe it very clearly. But kidneys are bean shaped. They are usually 10 centimeters in length and 4 to 6 centimeters in breadth and maximum 5 to 6 centimeters in thickness. This is the external feature of the kidney. Then if you want to observe it internally, which is called as here the longitudinal section, right? You have to cut it longitudinally. So let's go for the longitudinal section of the kidney. Longitudinal stands for what here? LS. LS. This is the longitudinal section which you are going to observe. Every organ is covered by certain layers here. Okay. So if you remove that layer, it will be very clear. Now you can observe it. The kidney is called hilus or fissure, from which the ureter will arises. And if you now inside here the renal pyramids, the pyramid like structures will be there. They are very clear, you can see that. This is called a renal pyramid. These pyramid like structures are there now. These are called renal pyramids. You can see these renal pyramids. These are formed by the renal artery, which is projecting inside to the kidney. Okay, so the pyramids contains the calyces, renal calyces, and they contain the nephrons. Nephrons are also called as uniferous tubules. These nephrons are present in certain millions. They are called microscopic. It is very efficient. And next you can see this. In the nephron, you know very well how the urine formation takes place here. It contains 4 stages: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, and finally concentration of urine formation. Okay, so the urine will be finally concentrated in the collected tube by the help of the vasopressin hormone here. So this is the LS, or what we call the internal structure. So inside it is very clear, you can see that calyces, how they are formed. You can see that calyces, how they are formed here. They are just like pyramid-like structures here. Is it visible, children? You can see this. So inside we have the calyces as well as we have the nephrons. Nephrons are present here. Is it clear? So this is same. Our kidneys also present in the same manner here, because we are mammals. So kidney shape is same. There is no difference of kidney shape here. So hence finally it is very important to protect the kidneys, children. Understand? Because whenever the poisonous material increases in our body, it must be moved out. For example, if you take increasing of sugar levels in some people because of the non-function of insulin hormone, so sugar levels might be raised. In that conditions here, if you did not control that sugar levels in our blood, our kidneys might be damaged, or usually our heart will get the heart stroke or heart attack. Like that, some problems will be created, side effects will be created by increasing the sugar levels in the blood. And children, most of you think that functioning of the heart is very important here, right? Because 24 hours the blood is usually supplied. Simultaneously, sometimes when the fatty content, or when the fat content, or it is also called as cholesterol, what we call, if it is increased in the vessels, blood vessels, blood will not flow properly and it may lead to death of the person, because the condition leads to heart attack. Clear, children? And at the top of the kidney, children, at the top of the kidney, a small cap-like structure is present, that is called adrenal gland. It releases an important hormone called adrenaline. This adrenaline hormone is also called as the fight or flight hormone. Is it Clear to you? Yes? So in further sessions we will see some more dissections here. Thank you very much.